Sadie. Do you see my pigtails? You like them? I'm here. And also, welcome to Sadie.com. I'm Sadie. Over there's my dad. That's my mom. Oh, and the weather today is forecast. It is gonna rain. Over there is my brother. Harley, say hi.
Hi, Harley.
No, you have to say hi.
The motor.
Oh, it's back over there.
Hey.
Did you see him?
You already used one.
Okay. Now, we are gonna do a chance that it's gonna be it's cloudy. It's gonna be cloudy today. And I'm having supper. My brother is trying to put his hand in the phone. Okay, see my remote control? Now it's actually my stylus. Here's my phone. You see it? Yeah. Oh, and it just... Who, me? It's my phone.
No, that's Mama's phone.
No.
That's Mama's phone.
I did not drop... That one's mine.
Harley's afraid of my salsa, baby.
Well, I am going to see if I could, for my birthday, go to jumping jacks. I bet my dad and my mom
Can you come unlock a show for me?
are gonna probably take jumping jacks for my birthday. So, I love everybody and I love you. So, have a great day and goodbye.